Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dikshit from Dr. Dikshit Clinics, Bangalore. Brittle toenails are usually caused by a deficiency of protein and maybe by a deficiency of calcium and iron, but also definitely by a very moist kind of environment. We can usually see this in people who constantly wear shoes, for example, or who are working in the water continuously, their feet are always exposed to water. And when this happens, the nails actually start to swell up and it becomes a very easy place for fungal infections to set in. And once the fungal infections set in, the nails become more brittle and they tend to chip off. So how to manage this condition? First of all, make sure that your diet is good in protein. So you have to take a very rich protein rich diet, also a very good iron rich diet. Also add on calcium to your diet, and this can definitely be, we have to stress that in an older person, they have to start taking more care of their toenails because they might bang into things and the nails might break and that might cause more problems for them. Again, in patients like who have diabetes or hypertension where the blood flow to the toes is not very good, brittle nails become more common, so they have to take extra care of their nails. Make sure that every time that you are using shoes, you spend some time wearing open footwear as well, so the nails are exposed to a non-wet or non-humid environment. If you are going to be constantly working in water, you should invest in waterproof shoes so your nails are protected from the water. The third thing is that make sure that there are a lot of nail protectant lacquers which are available, which are based out of keratin or they are based out of nail lacquers which have got antifungals in them. So they can be used as a preventive treatment to prevent the fungus from entering into the nail. If your job makes you have to wear a shoe every day, you can try this as a preventive treatment. But in spite of it, if you do get a lot of brittle nails, do see a doctor who can look at it to see if there's really a fungal infection and give you an oral antifungal as well. So this takes time to diagnose and it's a very simple test which can be done in most OPDs. So it's time to see a doctor if you're not getting better with these tips.